In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to create your account of YouTube Music and explain you the difference between the free and the premium plan. Welcome back to this new guide video on how Genic. If you want to listen to music on YouTube Music, you just need to open up a web browser, or you can also download the application of YouTube Music on your phone. If you're using a web browser, just search for YouTube Music on the search bar and then head over to the first website, or you can also search for music.youtube.com and it will take you to the official page. Now you don't really need to create your account of YouTube Music as it is connected to your Google account. As long as you have a Google account already logged in, you will be already logged in or will already have an account of YouTube Music. If you're not using a Google Chrome web browser, you'll need to sign into your Google account and then open up YouTube Music so that your account is logged in. Now, if you want to subscribe to your YouTube Music Premium for ad-free listening, you can head over to the upgrade section on the left-hand side. After signing into the application as well, you can tap on this profile icon or tap on the upgrade music option. And then right here, you can see the free trial that you can take as well as other different plans. If you scroll down a bit, you can see 3 plans that are available: the individual, family, and the student plan. Now, depending upon what you want, you can select one of these plans and also take a free trial before you pay for it. So that's also this video. That's the process on the way that you sign up for your account of YouTube Music. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.